Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is a new segment over here that we called What Happened To. Now on this segment which I'm introducing to my channel, this is where we're going to talk about beauty trends, fads, things that came and went, and I'm wondering why they went. Whatever happened to the JLo glow? I feel like at one point in time everybody was trying to get that JLo glow. Now I just don't really think people are looking for that JLo glow. I think maybe they are looking for that JLo glow. How many times can I say glow? I want us to remember that JLo gave us the JLo glow. There's no one else that could do it like the girl from the BX, the Bronx. Hello? She's JLo, she's Jenny from the Bronx. Can we just take in like how many times her look was attempted to be recreated? Like, as we just kind of scroll through, you can just see all the tutorials or the recreations of every look she's almost done, of every other makeup artist trying to do the same kind of thing on their clients. Like, Don't Mind My Photo album, I've just made a little shrine of images of JLo because I want you guys to green tone. I want you guys to remember the JLo glow because it was magnificent. It was magnificent. This look right here, I recreated this look. I did this. I've done this before. This was a moment for me, okay? Now this look, I like how she's giving you like a little, with a little bit of the highlight, and you get what I mean? And they've just done like the glitter to kind of offset the highlight. Offset! Woo! Mama! And then I just love how she's giving you this 2018 beat. Like, I love how she's giving you Latino Dolly Parton. Like, I just feel like that's such a moment that we really needed. Bitch, they got the glitter on the ching on the lip. The ching! Ching! I feel like taking off my short wig and putting my long wig on it. There wasn't anybody that was doing makeup the way... Let's just hold the wig in place. JLo was the reason for the glow. There was no one and their makeup artist that was doing makeup and skin in the way that JLo was doing. Before like the 2000s, that kind of thing, in the 80s and 90s, it was really like a thing about matte skin. And then JLo really brought us into the 2000s with that... Ooh. Baby, don't go. Hey!
We'll laugh and reminisce. Wait a minute, don't bounce, baby. Let's talk about this, man.
I feel like the JLo glow truly never went anywhere. I just think people are doing it and putting it by another name. Remember when strobing was a thing? Strobing was a thing, but I don't really think that was a thing that like it was ever gonna like stay a thing. I don't think that was ever going to become a big thing. That was always gonna be a small thing, like, realistically. I mean, contouring with highlighter. I mean, I'd really like to move forward into the future. Never forgetting the JLo glow.